get ready for girls' night. It's the night before and I'm so tired. It's 11:15 at night right now and I have an early morning appointment to do my hair. So I need to wash my hair and sort of just blow it out straight, no products or anything. So I'm gonna do that because I just know otherwise I have to wake up extra early. So I'm gonna do it tonight, and then also I got new pajamas today, so I just figured, you know what, yeah, I'll have a shower, I'll wash my hair, and then I'll go and put my new candle on and new pajamas on, and that'll make me feel complete in my heart. See, I'm having a girls' night, but I'm also gonna bring you with me sort of as a vlog, like all the steps of getting ready. I'm getting my hair done in the morning, and the face I'm gonna have to do, like I have mascara on right now, but usually I have full lashes. It's kind of like part of my monthly maintenance, so I figured let's do it together. Let's just chit chat. Let's hang out like we're on FaceTime. I'm gonna jump in the shower now, and I'll see you when I get out to we're just literally gonna like basically straighten it, but with the blow dryer, it's just supposed to have nothing in it because I'm getting braids. Is it a crime? It feels like a crime doing this to my hair, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do.
10 hours later.
It's nice. I like it like this. I get a bit bored of having straight hair these days. This is just like with the blow dryer, but like it's so fun, and it's nice when you have really nice fresh hair. Just feels good. It's kind of cute. I don't know why I'm acting like this is cute. It's not that cute, but I like it. Anyway, my hair's nice and fresh. It is night now, so I'm definitely, well, what I'm actually gonna do, I was gonna say I'm going to bed, but I'm not. I bought a candle today, I mentioned this, but I'm gonna go put my new PJs on, put my candle on, and then buy stuff on Amazon. Just with little girly things, you know? Just a little girly night for myself. But yeah, I will see you in the morning when I'm going to get my hair done. So next time you see me, I won't be looking like this.
The next day.
Good morning. It's early. I'm so tired. Hair's still nice and fresh. So, oh my god. So I'm getting my braids done. I'm so excited because I'm at a point of like, I just can't bother doing my hair anymore. I don't know what it's called, but you pick a colour and you dress as that colour and you buy food and snacks in that colour. So my colour is orange. So I need to get my hair done, come back, go to the shop and get orange food and drink, and then come back to the house and do my makeup and get ready. I have my outfit planned because I honestly only have like 1 or 2 things that are orange, so kind of narrowed it down. I didn't really want to buy anything because last year I was like definitely in the business of constantly like, if I need to do anything, I'll buy something new. That's over. That's young kid shit. I'm not doing it anymore. So luckily I had some orange stuff, so I'm gonna just wear it. And it's a nice day, so it's kind of, orange is a summery colour, so the things I have are quite summery stuff. So that's great, it works out well. But yeah, because I have to go kind of back and forth and I have some in-between stages, I'm just going to do the base of my makeup now so that it can dry fully, and then I can just add my powders and stuff on top. I have a spot on my eyebrow, really hurts. Oh, okay. Computer, what's the weather like?
Right now in Guiseley, it's 3 degrees Celsius with showers. This forecast is clouds with a chance of showers.
Oh.
With a high of 6 degrees and a low of 3 degrees.
Oh my god, it's gonna rain, and also it's not even as warm as it was yesterday. It's gonna be 6 degrees max. I went to buy new concealer yesterday. Oh, I wasn't even close. I couldn't figure out, I forgot to bring it with me, so I couldn't figure out which was the right colour. So I just didn't bother because, you know, I don't want to get that wrong. Also, it was like £17. I haven't bought new makeup in ages and I forget how expensive it is. This was £17, so hence why I've been putting it off for so long. But I mean, literally, look, it doesn't even roll up anymore. I'm having to use a brush to get in there, so like I really need to swallow my pride at some point and just buy a new one, because it's definitely not giving me what I want it to give. But I have 2 of these. They're both of these in the exact same state though, but at least like I have 2, so I can use the what's left of both of them. I'm living. Oh, that's what we're looking like. Just need to blend all this out. So I love Prosecco, and luckily the Prosecco that they sell near me has an orange label, so that works out brilliant for me. I'm not even sure if the other girls like Prosecco, but I know that they're all everybody's bringing drinks, and I don't really like cocktails, so I'm definitely going to bring Prosecco. And it gives people option as well. You don't have to drink Prosecco, you don't have to drink cocktails, you have the option. But yeah, I'm just going to take like, I don't know how many, I think there's 8 girls, so I think 2 bottles? I don't know. Computer, how many bottles of Prosecco for 8 people?
You just need enough to fill glasses to halfway. About 1 bottle per 8 to 10 people.
1 bottle per 10 people. Be realistic. No. Nobody's doing that. So I'm gonna just do the base, and then I'm gonna go about my day, and it can dry nice and matte. Ooh, I'm excited. There's only so much I can show you of like my braids, because it's gonna be quite a long process, and I'm not gonna have, I think I'm just gonna go get them done. I'll bring you with me, but I'm probably not gonna show you the process because it's a long one, but I can definitely make a video on it one day. If the whole video is about that, then let me know if you want to see how I get my braids done, because it's definitely a video I could make. Yeah. But I'm gonna get short ones. I've never had short ones. I just want them like the length of my hair. I guess my hair is, it's not long, I wouldn't say, but it's like mid-length. Usually I get my braids really long. I just want them this length this time. Just try something new. Try and try something new every time. I've got 30 minutes before I gotta leave, so I'm just gonna wear anything. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I'm gonna probably do another 10,000 steps in my Crocs, because they're just the best. So yeah, I'm not gonna overthink it too much. I'm doing a Miss Fenty Glow. I'm not even gonna line my lips, I just, whatever. So I'm gonna take it off later anyway. So, the lip gloss. We're looking super matte. Super matte. We're super cat. I know it's so two-dimensional, but this is how I'm gonna go, because like I said, I just want this to dry, and then I'll do the rest of it when I get back. I won't have much time when I get back, so yeah, I'm trying to just eliminate having to do too much in between doing the shop and having to come back and get ready and go back out again. Let's get dressed. My pajamas. These are my go-to jean. The baggy ones, I've had these for years. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear these jeans. And then I got this little, not this, let me show you. That's cute. I always have to roll these over though, because they don't fit my waist anymore because I lost weight. It's really cute, I like it. So anyway, I'm just gonna wear this. I just think cool, cute, cutie patootie vibes. And then get my braids done and go about my life. My beloved. There we go. Fuck it. Whatever, you know, don't overthink it. It's fine. I'm running late. I think I'm gonna miss the train. It's in 3 minutes, and I am not 3 minutes away. I had to go change my shoes, and now I'm late. We'll see. Hi, I'm home. My hair is done. It's so cute. I never have it this short, so I really like it. This is like my natural hair length. I think it's just really cute, easy, fun. This is my orange outfit as well. It's like a top over a jumpsuit. So this is my all orange outfit. I got all the orange stuff. I'm also gonna eat this chorizo because I figured I should probably eat something, and I just really want this. It's like literally just a pot of chorizo. I'm just gonna eat it. But yeah, we need to do some makeup now, so I don't know what makeup I'm planning on. gonna be, that is so good. I'm gonna do some orange somehow, but probably eyes. The main thing I forgot to do before I left the house, which I actually should have done last night, is my lashes. I have no lashes on, so that's why I needed time, because we're gonna do these fresh set of lashes. If you want a more detailed video, by the way, on how I do these, let me know, because they last as long as you look after them. They last that long, and like sometimes it's just like one I'm not happy with. I just take that one off and replace it, and it's so quick, and it's so much cheaper than getting eyelash extensions. Obviously, I know that like it's a luxury service, I understand. I used to get them all the time. This is the way forward though. Lashes are done. So cute. I went for some kind of like anime style ones. I'll post a link in the description for where I got these, because I mean these were so cheap, and this many will last you months, but they're so nice as well. Like, look at that. And you know, you just get to open your eyes in the morning and wake up and just look like this. It's perfect orange shade right there. Use this kind of brush. I don't want it to look like I'm sick though, I'm unwell. And then a little bit on the top. I'm not good with eyeshadow at all. I think I can do my makeup pretty well, but like I don't usually do anything on my eyes. I think if I put an eyeliner on, this might, I feel like on camera it looks good, but I feel like when I look at myself, I'm like, she looks like she's unwell. So I feel like I might need a bit of liner. I'm gonna use this MAC, so I'm hoping that this can just give me a subtle rose and highlight at the same time, which I feel like it's doing. Oh my god, I feel so pretty. So when I get braids, especially these two front ones, I feel like they fall where I have to fill my eyebrows in, and then over time my eyebrows rub off. Actually, that being said, I don't know if I'm gonna have my hair like this or not. Same day braids though, so if you get braids, you know that it's quite, I don't want to say tender, but like it's stiff as hell on the first day. But like this, oh my god, that's gonna be so cute. I have these elastics that I could just put around and then just cut them out later. Oh my goodness, kidding? Cute. I'm still gonna leave my eyebrows as they are, because I think they look nice, because they're my natural brow shape anyway, so you know. I'm not sure about this one. I think that's cute. This is the finished look. I'm still gonna do lip liner, but it's in the car, so I can't really show you it. And I wanted to just show you the finished outfit and the look and the hair. Everything's cute. I'm gonna head off, so thank you so much for watching and doing this with me. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see like little bits and snippets of the party, but love you so much, and I'll see you next week. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I love you. Bye.